Welcome to this land of rising sun and perhaps unexplored land of the beautiful Arunachal in our country. The team led by Dinesh Bijanji, the producer of Bedia, Amar Kaushikji, the director, and the beautiful actors Varun Dhawanji, Kriti Sanonji, and the entire team. On behalf of the people of Arunachal, on behalf of the government of Arunachal, we welcome you, and hopefully in your film making in today's you will have a wonderful days. And I also would like to assure you, we are already with the people who are already a peace-loving people. However, still, we will not give any chance that in the process of your film making, there should be no any obstacles. We ensure you and we assure you also. As we have already with us coming up Film Institute, the third of its kind in the country, is coming up in around capital in Poma. Arunachal is already a Bollywood loving people. So people are already in your field. With your visit and with your decision to make film in Arunachal Pradesh, this will open a way for other filmmakers to come to Arunachal, and we also request you to make Arunachal a film making destination. Our film making started way back in 1974. It was a small film, Rasmi Rekha, way back in 1974. And then we had one small film, Mera Dharam, Meri Ma, way back in 1976. And that goes on with Meri Zindagi in 1987, Between God and Me, 2000, Crossing Bridges, 2013, Itanagar 0 kilometer, 2015, and recently Capital, 2020. And of course, we also got some Hollywood films. The first of its kind was way back in 1996, Koila, and followed by Rangoon in 2015. So your team, your wonderful team is coming as a third team, and this will open up not only to the filmmakers, even to a young, enthusiastic young boys and girls who wants to be part of these professions. So with this, I once again welcome you all to the places where you will be moving around. It's a beautiful place, as tourism minister have said. तो मैं फिर से आप लोग को इस सुंदर प्रदेश में स्वागत करता हूँ।
तो मैं तो अरुणाचली हूँ, मतलब मुझे अपना इंट्रोडक्शन मेरे फादर यहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट रेंजर थे, तो मैं अपनी पूरा चाइल्डहुड मैंने अरुणाचल में निकाला है। मैं तो सिजुसा, रोइंग, शांतिपुर और ईटानगर, भालुकपोंग, ये सब एरियाज में मैं रहा हूँ। वहीं से जो फिल्मी कीड़ा जो मुझे लगा है वो यहीं से लगा हुआ है। तो एक तरीके से मैं वापस अपना दूध का कर्ज अदा करने आया हूँ। तो यही है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। आई होप फिल्म जैसे एक्सपेक्टेशन है सबका वैसे ही बनाऊँ, कोशिश करूँगा। अरुणाचल को एक सिर्फ एक ऐसा नहीं दिखाऊंगा कि एक जगह है जहाँ पे आप शूट करके आए। अरुणाचल क्या है वो भी बताने की कोशिश करूँगा फिल्म के माध्यम से। सो यही, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I have to say it's been one of my dreams to come and shoot in Arunachal Pradesh, and it's a day of great pride for me that today I am over here. मैं candidly बात करूँगा, honestly people staying in cities don't know too much about what's happening in Arunachal or don't know much. I'm from Bombay, she's from Delhi, he's from Delhi. But once I got attached to this movie and through Amar, who's the director of this film, learned about Arunachal and learned how it is a part of our film. I think it's high time today as youngsters of our country of India. We need to show and we need to attach Arunachal to the youth of India as well. Already the Zero Festival is famous with a lot of people. They come, they visit it for the festival. But now it's high time, I think people should start coming, knowing about Arunachal, knowing about the local festivities, the local beauty of Arunachal. And the one thing I realized as soon as I stepped over here was how beautiful looking the people are also. Very, very pretty boys and girls. And extremely peaceful and welcoming people, I felt. Like अमर ने बोला कि हमारे फिल्म में बहुत सारा local talent है, 70% of the talent is from here, a lot of actors are from here. And having interacted with some of the actors already in Mumbai Scared, I realized that they love cinema, they love art, and they want to in somehow show their artistry, they want to show their craft, and that passion is so nice for like even an actor like me. When I meet a young budding actor from Arunachal, there's so much that I can learn from him, because seeing his जो भूख होती है एक आर्टिस्ट की, he just needs the medium, and I'm sure now all the doors with OTT, with cinema, all these doors are going to start opening. There are more characters being written. Like अमर ने एक character लिखा है, which is one of one very important character जिनका नाम जोमिन है फिल्म में. He's from Arunachal in the film, and he plays a very integral part. Tempol करके एक दूसरा character है, also very important character of our film. He's from Arunachal. जो music है, it's been given by Keiko, who's a rapper over here. He sung a song for us, he's written lyrics for us. So for me as an artist, it's just amazing कि इतना talent भरा हुआ है हमारे देश में, अरुणाचल में. And now I think वो सारा talent धीरे धीरे हमारे हिंदी इंडस्ट्री में भी आएगा, and पूरा देश देखेगा कि अरुणाचल में कितना talent है.
We have a lot of expectation on you, and we wish your movie will do good in box office and elsewhere in the movie world. Would you promote Arunachal tourism, since tourism minister is also here, IPR minister is also here, since your colleague has said that the chief minister is supporting your entire team. So would you promote the tourism Arunachal and Arunachal as a state in Bollywood and other places wherever you go?
As it is, I would 100%, 500% promote Arunachal Pradesh as a state. The people, like I said, that I feel Arunachal is beautiful not only because of its natural topography, but because of its beautiful people and the talent that the youth possesses over here. And I know that there have been instances in the past where the people have felt let down somewhere. And being a young Indian, the way I feel, the way I've been brought up is in a way that I want to show the rest of my colleagues and friends that how easily accessible Arunachal is to shoot in, how easy it is to work here with people, and want to invite them over here. And I'm sure like there's so many news channels here, but we will be promoting the film not only through our film but also before our film. Dinu and Amara working on making a 45 to 1 minute documentary which will be airing before the film, which will be only about Arunachal and inviting people over here.
So I'm actually a traveler first and then an actor, and I always wanted to travel to Arunachal Pradesh. I always wanted to attend Zero Festival, but I could not because of some odd reason. But I think I'm very lucky that I'm here to perform with great actors and a great director. I think that's also going to add to the traveling experience and also the actor experience. Also, I think I always take inspirations from the spaces I go to. Any space I go, I think it's sometimes whatever you're playing, you take some inspiration from the local culture and do it. And already after being here, I can feel that I can clearly say that I'm already inspired and ready to shoot.
And also I think we should hear from Pooja, who's hiding over there on the side, because
She's been to Arunachal more number of times
जो
than us.
बहुत आई है रेकी के लिए, she's interacted a lot with a lot of the local government officials and helped us make sure we can shoot.
I think we can say that she's become one of the locals.
Yeah.
Thank you for a very warm welcome, and my brother has taught me always to not follow the herd and to make your own choices. Amar is also that person. First we shot in Chanderi, which was a never shot before land. Now we're going to zero. So it is thank you to my two pillars, Dinu and Amar, that we are here today, and the support of the Honorable CM. When Varun asked me, वहाँ क्या है? मैंने बोला वहाँ Starbucks तो नहीं है. But this is going to be a life-changing experience. और अपने गमबूट जरूर लाना. और अगर लीच से बचना है तो वो वाले सॉक्स तो कृति पहन लेना. But having said that, it brings you close to home. You don't feel like you are outside, and thank you for having us, and we are very eager and happy to shoot over here.
It's my first time in Northeast और मुझे seriously मैंने सिर्फ पिक्चर्स में, वीडियोस में और अमर कौशिक की जो रेकी के फोटोज हैं उनमें देखा है अरुणाचल प्रदेश ज़्यादा, और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड थी यहाँ आके शूट करने के लिए. And we saw our first beautiful sunset on our way to this place. And as everyone said, I feel like यहाँ के लोग जो है वो बहुत ही warm हैं, बहुत शांत हैं, बहुत sweet हैं. And I'm sure our whole schedule is going to go very, very well. And I'm that tourist person who is not seeing this state, and I would love to explore. And as he said, you know, the theme music of the area actually, there's a voice of a rapper who's from here, Keiko, and he's also written the lyrics for it, and it is amazing. Like when I heard it for the first time, I asked my producer, you know, that who is this? You know, who's this voice? And it's so well sung and it's so well written and so unique. So I feel like there is a lot of talent, and I'm so glad that our film is going to be able to present that to the world. And you know, as we heard that there's a new airport also coming the next year, and I feel like the connectivity is also going to get better. And with this film, I'm sure that our director Amar Kaushik, who has so much love for this place, is going to do full justice to the beauty of this place, and not just show it as, you know, a scenic place, but also the culture, also how people are. My character is supposed to be from Arunachal, not from Arunachal, but she stays here. So she's been here for a while. So I would actually be trying to learn a few words of the local language and try and use it here and there. If I do a bad job, please spare me.
Kriti is single. I think you should teach her how we say I do.
That's not something I can say in the film, but yeah, that could be one of the few words. But I would love to learn a little bit of the language and actually use it. I hope I do a good job, otherwise you guys are going to hate me.
You'll have to learn 22 languages. Because there are
No, but I will talk only in one. They don't understand each other's language.
Arunachal Hindi. Also, want to take this opportunity to congratulate all the people and the government in Arunachal for being declared the first COVID-free state
Yeah.
in the entire country, which is
Still little skeptical if I'm wearing a mask, but I'm telling him again.
No, but honestly,
it's okay, COVID.
yeah, all,
You don't have COVID
see,
because you wore a mask.
we have antibodies. क्योंकि हम दोनों को actually हुआ था. And I'm not saying this because you were coughing. I didn't get scared. Maybe a little bit. I'm scared. But I'm just saying it's a great matter of pride that, you know, that Arunachal is COVID free, and I think it's going to showcase other states the way forward also, how you'll achieve this. I think these are things that should be shared to other states, and how Arunachal has actually